everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss a new project, a telecom churn analysis. I have analyzed a dataset. The dataset's name is Telecom Churn Communication, in which we analyze about the some theoretical part like what is churn, how it is important churn in any company, what is the importance of churn, of what is the relationship between company and customer and churn. So let's begin with. So I will full screen I take better understand. Yes. So the topic is telecom churn analysis. So the main aspect or main question is what is customer churn? So let's we understand with the basics. What is customer churn? A customer churn refer to a percentage of computer customer who stop using company product or service over a given period. It is a key business metric, especially in industries like telecommunication, subscriptions, and SaaS, software as a service. So, there are two types of churn: voluntary churn, involuntary churn. In the voluntary churn, when customers actively cancel their subscriptions or switch to a competitor. And the second one is involuntary churn, when a customer stop using a service due to reason behind their control. For example, expired credit, technical issue, etc. Now we understand why churn is important. High churn means lower loss of revenue and higher customer acquisition cost. Understanding churn help business improve customer retention strategies and enhance service. We apply also a machine learning models so we can predict churn by analyzing factors like billing issues, customer complaints, or reduced engagement, or etc. So the objective of our project is we analyze the factor influencing customer churn. What is the factor why a customer churn? Then we have to clean our data. The third one is provide a data-driven insight to optimize retention strategies. What we take steps so the customer did not churn. And the last one is improve customer certification and business profitability. How can we increase the customer certification and what step we take for our business growth? So for this project, we use a Python for analysis this data set. We also use a Power BI for a beautiful and interactive dashboard. From that, we also find some analytics part. For that, also we have to do the data cleaning in the Power BI software. I hope you must aware what is Power BI. So, for this dataset, what I do, first of all, I import dataset in Python. Then I handle a missing values. There is a much comprehensive thing when I handle a missing values. I explain what I see in handling a missing values. Then we encoded category variables. See, in my dataset, there is a category variable. If we apply a machine learning algorithm, all the part with in numerical binary values 0 or 1. But in my dataset, there is a category variable. So I use a scikit-learn to convert into category encoding part. Then I apply scaling numerical features on our numerical data. We transforming data for model readiness. Now the part is comes data visualization. For that we move to our Python library and discuss how do we analyze our data set. So first of all, I install our Pandas library. For that, I import my CSV file in Python. If you don't know how to install a library or how to import any dataset in Python, you can see my in previous videos. So simply I use a Pandas library for importing our dataset. Then when I count the null values, what I find the total chance the null values comes out 0. But when I check the null values in the Microsoft Excel, I found there is some null values in my dataset, but in Python it show me a 0. What is the reason behind this? Because the data type of monthly charges is taking as object, and there is some values in which it take part as a string. That's why in Python I didn't get the null values. For that, what I take a next step, I find the information about the dataset. What is the data type of every columns? So I found there is many columns where the data type are not matched. So I do all the correct data type for each and every column. So first of all I take a total charge column and replace the string value into NaN values. After that, when I check the null values, it show me 11 have a null values in the column total charges. Then what I do, I change the data type. See, in the total charge column, it show me a object where in my dataset it is numerical part. So what I have to do, I change the data type total charge. The data type will convert into numeric key by using pd.numeric. After that, I have NA values in a total charge. So I take a median for that for handling a null values. You also take a mean for that, but the best thing is it is a total charges. So I have to take a median imputation method. After that, I again check it is there any column in which null values is present. I found no. There is no column in which null values is present. After that, I check the box plot. See, box plot is a very good visualization for finding is there outlier in my dataset or not. That's why I take all the numerical parts which I name as numerical columns. I give a list. Then in the visualization I give the data frame and plot a box plot where I found there is no outlier present in my dataset. After that, we discuss about EDA or a data visualization. So, the first graph we talk about churn. What I do, I plot a churn distribution. In the churn distribution, this is a category variable. So there will only two subcategories, yes or no. Yes means how many count the churn distribution are followed and how many no. So I found there is some 50 100 people which are churned, and the maximum 5 above greater than 5,000 the no values are present. So I found there is less amount of churn in my dataset. After that, I make a hit plot. What it suggests me, many customers pay low monthly charges. So basically, this is a plot talking about the monthly charges. In the y-axis, there is a count of monthly charges. So I found many customers pay low monthly charges, that is $20, due to their basic plans. The next what I interpretation I found, as the monthly charges increase, the number of customers is decreases. I also some interpretation found a few customers are paying higher charges, something around $100 to $120, possibly indicating they have some premium plans. We all know premium plans are very costly. So this plot is called a KDE plot. Okay, the next thing what I found, a monthly charges churn status. According to monthly charges, what is the churn status? So I found there is a many big count in the monthly charge. See, in the yes, that means the customer churn is above 65, and the no is something about 59. So there is a very high amount of churn according to monthly charges. So the next graph is a peer plot. This is a plot which is I make using a churn according to tenure, monthly charges, total charges. See the variation according to the tenure with churn, monthly charges with churn, and the total charges with churn. See in the monthly charges, the plot, there is very much churn with the monthly charges, but in the total charges, there is less amount of churn. Okay, so the next graph we're talking about churn by contract type. You know what is contract, what is type, like some customers are contract for 6 months, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, as going on. So I make to see the churn according to contract type. So when I see the month to month, there is a more amount of no churn. When I talk our 1 year contract, there is less amount also in no. When I see in the 2 year, there is a some less amount of churn. But the highest churn is going with month to month contract and very less amount of churn in the 2 year contract time. After that, I have to check a payment method distribution. What is the payment method distribution? What is the percentage with the payment method? I found the electronic check, the payment distribution is 33.6, credit distribution is 21.6, bank transfer is with a 21.9%, and mail check is 22.9. I found the highest payment method is the electronic check the customers uses. After that, I have to check internet service type. What is the amount of churn? There is a three different categories in internet service type: DSL, fiber optic, and no. So I found there is a very less amount of churn in DSL, some less amount with DSL, that is the fiber optic, and from the fiber optic the less amount is no. The churn with the highest is DSL and the less is the no. After that, I check a senior status according to churn. So the people which are not senior have a highest amount of churn, and the people which is a senior is less amount of churn. Then I make a pie chart according to contract type distribution. What is the distribution according to the contract? For 1 year, there is only 20%. For a 2 year, there is 24%. And for month to month, the contract distribution, there is only 55.5%. And the last EDA or data visualization I make a churn probability versus tenure. What I found from this graph, early churn is a problem. Customer leaves shortly after subscribing, possibly due to unmet expectations, pricing issues, or lack of engagement. The second point I found from graph is retention improve over time. Customer who stay longer become more loyal. The last point I found, the company should focus on retaining new customer by improving onboarding customers experience or offering incentive for long-term engagement. So this is a project about the telecom communication churn. I hope this project is very much clear. That's why EDA play a very important role in the data analytics. I hope this is all about things are very clear. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this channel. If you want to see or more project, you can also follow me on the LinkedIn, and thank you.